Experience successful weight loss with these great tips. Weight loss is an incredibly important goal for many people. If you want to succeed in losing weight, you need to plan correctly and use your time wisely. Taking the right steps will lead to weight loss and improved health. Take to heart the advice you find here if you truly want to lose weight. Cardio is a great way to shed those extra pounds quickly. These exercises make your heart beat faster and burn fat more quickly than strength training. You can determine if an exercise is a cardiovascular exercise easily by identifying whether it increases your heart rate. Find cardiovascular exercises that you enjoy doing, and incorporate them into your regular workouts. If you love mashed potatoes but can't have them on your diet, try this great mashed cauliflower recipe instead. All you have to do is get a covered pot and cook the cauliflower florets inside with a little bit of water. You then want to add chopped onions until tender and pure it with chicken bouillon or vegetable while it's hot with fresh ground pepper for some added taste. This can make a great side dish with plenty of nutrition and a fraction of the calories and carbs of mashed potatoes. A good way to lose weight is to drink protein shakes when you feel hunger pangs. When you mix a small bit of protein powder together with ice then drinking it when you begin to feel hungry, then your diet won't be compromised and neither will your self-confidence. Click the link below in the description for details on keto diet benefit.